Unlock the true creative potential of your Nikon Z5 by crafting a custom flat color profile that puts you in complete command of your visual aesthetic. Let's dive into the menu. Navigate to the shooting menu, then select picture controls. Here's where the magic happens. While flat is a great starting point, we're going to fine-tune it. Select flat and then choose edit. This is your canvas. We'll be adjusting exposure, compensation, tone, saturation, clarity, and hue. These sliders allow you to shape the overall look and feel of your footage or stills before you even hit the shutter. For a truly flat profile, we want to slightly lift the shadows and reduce contrast. I find adjusting the exposure compensation up by a small increment, maybe 03 to 07, can help preserve detail in the highlights and shadows. Next, focus on tone. Think of this as your contrast control. You want to create a very even, almost linear response. Imagine flattening out the typical curve to minimize contrast, giving you maximum latitude later. Saturation is key for a flat look. Dial this down significantly. We want muted colors that aren't overpowering, allowing us to reintroduce color precisely in post-processing. Clarity affects micro-contrast and sharpness for a flat profile. We'll soften this just a touch. Reduce clarity by a small margin to avoid a harsh or over-sharpened appearance. Finally, hue. This allows you to subtly shift the overall color cast. A slight adjustment here, perhaps a touch towards green, can give your flat profile a unique character that complements your subjects. Once you're happy with your adjustments, save this as a custom user setting. Give it a descriptive name, like My Flat Profile or Log Light. Now, when you shoot with this custom profile, you'll have a clean, versatile image ready for your creative vision, giving you unparalleled control over your final output.